1-minute set alphabet close using regression model to analyze there are scatter diagram lines combined nonlinear model curvilinear model. 1 straight line analysis, the result is the downtrend line and very obvious. Blue is the closed value, red is estimated value, yellow is upper limit and lower limit of 95% predicted interval. Nonlinear line model analysis, the result is the downtrend line and very obvious. Curvilinear model analysis, the result is the downtrend line and very obvious. Lines combined which last line is the downward situation. Line 26 is the last line. The coefficient of determination is 0.355211, which can be the predicted equation. Those predicted values can be referred. Excel calculating the probability distribution simulated data is an explanation of the simulator and random variables transformation of probability distribution using the Excel VBA. Please refer to in purchase, available from amayan.com. Demythologized Durbin-Watson test statistic transforms with real random variables and obtains the sampling distribution of test statistic and calculates the real critical value. Please refer to in purchase, available from amayan.com.